Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about Microsoft 365 tutorial for beginners 2025 step by step plus tips and tricks. So in this video I'm going to show you the step by step to use Microsoft 365 and also give some tips plus tricks on the last section of the video. So let me give you a short uh, recognition of Microsoft. So Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based productivity suite that includes apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, and Teams, and you can access it via the desktop apps, web browser, or mobile. You can start by going to office.com and signing in with your Microsoft account. Like you can just search for office.com and you can just sign in or register the Microsoft 365 and with your Microsoft account, and you land on the dashboard with all available apps. So in this video I'm going to show it on my desktop application or software, whatever you say. So first of all, uh, here we can see a fresh interface that on the top left corner we can see the home section. We can see the Copilot option, chat with Copilot into your Microsoft 365 apps. It's like a AI, uh, so it will give you premium apps with Copilot built in and more storage as part of your Microsoft 365 plan. You have to buy Microsoft 365 for that. You can click on create, and here you can see documents like Word file. You can make presentation on PowerPoint, workbook on Excel, form on forms, and you can also make some quiz on forms, and you can list on lists, and design on the Microsoft Designer. You can edit videos on Clipchamp, which is a Microsoft product, and we can see all the products here. And after that, the option is my content. Here you will see the content you have made or edited, like all recently opened attachments, favorites, and all. And if you click on the apps, it will probably show the apps they have, like the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft OneNote, and all. And on the last we can see the settings option, and on the bottom we see our account that we are logged in, and we'll just show you how can use 365 step by step. So first of all, we'll go with the Word, and here as you can see you can create new blank document. You can also go with some uh, templates. If we click on see more templates, we can see there are multiple templates like classic resume template, cover letter templates, and simple lines design document, group writing project template. We can also see classic student report template, weekly assignment sheet template, triangles meeting minutes, daily wellness routine. We can see all the templates here. uh, so for now, uh, we will create a blank document or use templates like resumes or letter. We'll have to go to the home tab for formatting, like font size, color, and okay, I'll just click on that. I'll just go to the home button, and here we can see the Word document file. We click on that and we'll click yes, yes. After that, as you can see, our home Microsoft Word app is been opened in the 365 app, and as here you can see there are multiple options like file, home, insert and all. You can just create a documents here, like let's just give the main heading like climate, let's say climate change, and you can just as I've told you, it's a heading. So for that you have to go in this option to just click on this, and it will come to the center, and we have to just increase the font size, and we'll go for 28, and we can also get it on bold just clicking on the bold section. We can also make it on a Italian font, and you can here also change the fonts and click on any fonts, like I'll go with the Bauhaus 93 font, and after that you can just uh, give the font section a little, and you can just type uh, a word like the climate are changing drastically and something like that, and you have to select it and have to just unselect the bold font, and we can also select other. So like that you can just create a document on Microsoft Word, and after that we can also just uh, go to the Excel workbook Excel and click on that, and it will open the Excel sheet or OneDrive, and you can just edit or create a Excel sheet there. As you can see here, you can see the Excel uh, app has been opened, and you can see there are multiple options like home, file, insert, draw and all, and rest of the Excel works, so after that you just can enter data in rows, columns like this. Here already Shopify, Grammarly, Hostinger.com is given like row and columns. You can use auto sum to quickly total a column, select conditional formatting to highlight high low values. You can do calculations and check spell, and you can use the insert tab charts to turn data into graphs, and you can type the equal and start typing a formula, and you can just start typing a formula like sum, average or if, and any formula you can apply here, and the result will uh, be what you want to get. And after that you can create some presentations with clicking on PowerPoint. So you have to just click on PowerPoint and choose a theme. Each slide can have a title, bullet points. As you can see, the presentation app is now being opened, and each slide can have a title, bullet points and images, and you can use transitions to animate between slides and animations to animate objects. You can also use the presenter coach to practice your delivery. It gives real-time feedback on pacing and tone, and you can also manage email and calendar with Outlook. So as you can see the Outlook option, you can just click on that. You can Open Outlook, your inbox will on be the left. You can read, click on new mail to start writing. You use folders and organize your folders. You can switch to the calendar tab to create events. You can set reminders and Teams meeting links and invite others. You can use rules to automatically sort of forward emails based on sender or subject. You can also explore, like here you can see, you can also explore designs, Microsoft Design. It will open the app and you can just design whatever you want. You can just upload your media and edit it here. You can just also use templates. You can also use templates and you can just simply edit anything you want here. You can just delete anything, or you can just undo the part you have just deleted. You can add stuffs here, like clicking on text, my media, visuals, and markup and layers. And you can, after that, you can just share, uh, save and share uh, every projects you have made with your OneDrive. You just have to click on OneDrive, and this will be your cloud storage. Upload documents or create them directly online. You can right click on a file to share. You can choose view only to edit access. Like here's content, you can just click on share, and you can also just copy link and share it to anyone, and they'll open it and can get access. You can just set them to just only see, or you can just give access to edit the files. And you can also sync OneDrive to your PC, so your files are backed up and available offline. You can the files will be deleted and stay for 30 days before permanently deletion. And and you can also open a Word or Excel file stored in OneDrive and click share and invite a teammate. You can see their cursor as they type. Use comments to leave notes on parts of this document without editing the actual text. You can use the version history to restore earlier version of your file if someone makes a mistake. You can also use the Microsoft Teams, and Teams combines chat, video calls, and file sharing. And you can create a joint team, then post it in the general channel. Use @mentions to notify people. You can schedule video meetings and share your screen during calls. Teams is perfect for remote collaboration, especially for schools and businesses. And lastly, let me give you some tips and tricks. You can use Office mobile app to access all 365 tools in one place. In Word or Excel or PowerPoint, click the tell me what you want to do box for shortcuts. You can use dictation to speak instead of typing. Mic icon in toolbar, you have to click on that, and you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus V in Outlooks to paste plain text. You can pin apps to the left navigation in office.com for quick access. And you can also go to settings, then account to manage subscription and devices. You can change your office. You can also change your office theme to dark mode for eye comfort. You can set your start page, Word, Excel, etc. from the dashboard. Finally, use Power Automate included in the Microsoft 365 paid version to automate repetitive tasks like saving attachments from email into OneDrive. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you on the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. uh, and see you on the next video.